Canada is hiring thousands of foreign workers right now, and you don't need Canadian experience to get in. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to land a job in Canada in 2025, with zero Canadian experience, no connections, and no agent. All you need are these 5 job platforms that will connect you directly with Canadian employers ready to hire foreign workers and even offering visa sponsorship. This is the fastest and easiest way to work legally in Canada this year. Let's get started. First up, Job Bank Canada, the official government website. This platform is run by the Government of Canada, so every job listed here is legitimate. You can search thousands of Canadian jobs by title, location, or industry. Use the advanced search filter and select intended applicants, Canadians, and international candidates. This will instantly remove jobs that are not open to foreign applicants. Example, if you search for truck driver and apply this filter, or software developer, you'll see positions where employers have already indicated they're open to hiring from abroad. Create an account so you can save jobs, get alerts, and track your applications. I'll leave a link in the description for these websites. Next, Job Bank, LMIA approved jobs. These are jobs in Canada where the employer has already gotten permission from the Canadian government to hire someone from outside of Canada. This permission is called an LMIA, which stands for Labor Market Impact Assessment. It means the employer tried to hire a Canadian first, but couldn't find one, so they're now legally allowed to hire a foreign worker like you. This is your shortcut to jobs that can sponsor your work visa. To find these jobs, click on Advanced Job Search. Scroll down to Employment Conditions. Check the box that says Labor Market Impact Assessment, LMIA, available. According to Job Bank, LMIA-approved jobs are in high-demand fields and often get priority processing for work permits, such as farm workers, cooks and chefs, welders, IT professionals, and caregivers. Next up is the Canada Job Expo. They host virtual job fairs that hire globally. These expos connect job seekers with Canadian companies hiring international workers. Some employers specifically attend to hire international candidates, especially for roles with visa sponsorship. You can also join their virtual job fairs from anywhere in the world. They typically hold 4-5 events per year, so sign up for their newsletter and register early for spots. Prepare a Canadian-style resume and cover letter beforehand. Most recruiters in the expo will expect that. Let's move to Indeed Canada, a powerful job board that often lists jobs from both small businesses and large corporations. But here's the catch. You have to filter your search for international jobs. In the search bar, type your role plus keywords like visa sponsorship or foreign worker accepted. Example, mechanical engineer visa sponsorship. You can also filter by location, salary, and job type. This method works well for niche roles or specific industries where international expertise is welcomed. Always verify the company website and avoid paying for job offers. Finally, don't underestimate the power of LinkedIn Canada. Thousands of companies in Canada post jobs on LinkedIn every day. But here's the difference. LinkedIn is both a job board and a networking platform. Here's how to use it. Set your location to Canada. In the search bar, type your role plus visa sponsorship or foreign applicants. Use filters to find recently posted jobs and easy apply options. Message recruiters directly with a short, polite intro and attach your resume. Optimize your profile to show you're actively seeking Canadian job opportunities. That increases your chances of being found by recruiters. Also, make sure you target the right industries. The top 5 industries in Canada hiring international workers in 2025: healthcare, nurses, caregivers, lab techs, construction and skilled trades, electricians, carpenters, plumbers, tech sector, software developers, cybersecurity, AI/ML engineers, logistics and trucking. Long-haul truck drivers are in demand with high salaries, hospitality and food services, chefs, hotel managers, cleaning supervisors. If you're serious about moving to Canada in 2025, start now. Optimize your resume. Apply through legit Canadian job sites. Target LMIA-supported or express entry-eligible roles. Stay updated with IRCC news and PNP draws. And remember, getting hired from abroad is possible, especially if you focus on in-demand roles and stand out with the right strategy. So there you have it, the 5 best and fastest ways to get a job in Canada in 2025. These platforms are your best bet to get noticed by real employers in Canada who are ready to hire internationally. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more global job and travel tips, and drop a comment with your dream job in Canada. Until next time, keep chasing your international dreams. You're closer than you think.